Are you looking to play eFootball on PC using keyboard keys? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to play eFootball on PC using keyboard keys. So, let's get started. Step 1. Attacking. Use arrow or WASD keys to move players. Press A to pass. Press Y to through pass. Press B to cross kick and corner kick. Press X to shoot. Step 2. Defending. Press X to clearance. Press A to pass. Press B for tackle. But you can customize keys in settings. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you that. Step 3. Customizing keys. Go to eFootball install folder. Or if you install the game using Steam, then go to the Steam library. Then right-click on eFootball. Then click Manage. Now, click Browse Local Files. Here, you will get settings.exe file. Now, just open it up. Once the settings window opens, click on the keyboard tab at the top. Here, you will get settings.exe file. Now, just open it up. Once the settings window opens, click on the keyboard tab at the top. Here, you will see a picture of a controller with boxes next to each button, like A, B, X, Y, RB, LB, etc. Now, click on the box next to the controller button you want to map. Then press the key on your keyboard you want to use for that action. After that, click OK to save it. And there you have it. That's how you play eFootball on PC using keyboard keys. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See ya!